this video, I'm going to show you how to open new chats in DeepSeek AI. And you can do this on your online engine or on your app on your phone. It basically works the same. And in this video, I'm going to show it to you with the app on the phone. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the app. And from here, it automatically opens a new chat when you're fresh. And as you can see, I don't have any chats yet. So this will be a new chat that's being created instantly. So let's say something to the engine, and then afterwards I will show you how to create a new chat. So let's say, hi, tell me something funny. Tell me something funny. And let's wait. It's going to tell me a joke. And now this chat will be saved in the history. And let's say you want to open a new chat. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the top right where you see this plus icon. And in here, as you can see, it starts a new chat. And that is basically how you create new chats. And when you look to the history, you see that there are 2 chats in now. Let's say you want another one. Click on the plus again, and it will keep creating new chats this way. And that is how you create new chats on DeepSeek AI. And on the desktop, it works the same. In here, you will see your new chat icon at the top left of your screen. And you need to be sure that you're logged in to use the online engine, same as the app. And when you do this, you will be good to go. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.